Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix overheating issues on your Nothing Phone 4a. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and check for the background apps because they might be the reason why your phone is overheating. So we're gonna open up settings first. After going into the settings, we're gonna click on the battery and here battery usage. After that, here we will make sure that we view them by apps and not these systems. We want to scroll down, and for example, camera has been running in the background for the last 14 hours. Let's click here and disable the allow background usage. Now it won't run in the background. Now for the Google Play Store, that's been running for almost 10.5 hours. And we can do that for every single app that we want. Nothing X is already turned off, so we need to find apps like this. As you guys can see, it's pretty easy. All you click is one button, and after you're done, make sure that you do not use your phone while charging it because it can also make your phone overheat a little. So make sure that you avoid using your phone while charging it. For example, do not game on it, do not watch YouTube, Netflix, Instagram, and everything else. After that, make sure that you use the original charger and the cable. And next, if you are not charging and it's still getting hot, then what you guys want to do is remove the case to improve the heat dissipation. This is very important because we want to make sure that our device cools down and we want to make sure that it does not happen again. So remove the case and see if that makes any difference. And if you want to charge it, then make sure to charge it in a cool and ventilated area. So that's what you guys can do. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.